Want to know how to make your code more beginner friendly automatically in Cursor AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it in just under a minute. So it's super simple and let's get right into it. So first things first, you need to get Cursor AI. So you can just simply open up Cursor AI application. So once you've opened it up, you should be under this interface right here. And now once you're under this interface, just simply select Ctrl+A. And this should select the entire code. So now, so under the Ctrl+A, you can just simply select Ctrl+K in order to open up this small editor right here. So make sure you are on edit selection and not on anything. So once you've selected that, you can just simply prop it like this. So once you have propped it like this right here, it will start going. So right here, as you can see, it has been starting to add comments and it's starting to replace it. So once everything is done, what you can do is you can just simply start keep for all of them and it should be good to go. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.